Okay, so now the jig is on the door. This jig clamps on the door with these clamps here, and if you're not careful you're going to leave marks on the door, which is why I protect it with these pieces of wood from the front and the back. Once this jig is in place, basically what happens is when we do this, it goes up and down and it creates the cavity with the drill right there. It creates the cavity for the mortise lock. So obviously always use protection, which is why I use the goggles and the earphones. Now that the jig has been removed, you can see this nice cavity. It's a little hard to see here, there's not a lot of light, but you can see the opening that we just drilled. Now we're going to use a template to mark the holes where we need to drill for the lock. We're going to mount it on and use a little drill bit to punch a little hole into the wood in every location where I need to drill. This is what it looks like after I drilled the pre-drills, you know, the pilot holes. And now we're going to make the bigger holes for the lock itself.